Hi guys and welcome to Software Beast. For today's video, I will show you how to add a calendar on Squarespace. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and go to squarespace.com. Make sure you're logged in as well. Once you are here, tap on Edit on the upper left. In here, zoom out. Once done, scroll down this time. And then you're going to press on plus add block. The one on the upper left once again. In here, there are options. Scroll down and then look for calendar. Once you see calendar, tap on it. After tapping at calendar, you will see a calendar option appear already in your website. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment as well.